Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the Black Merino Leather inside. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X4 M Competition in Marina Bay Blue Metallic. I just hit unlock on the key, we got the headlights on. This is what the key looks like for this, and I'm just going to press and hold panic for 1 second. That's the full pathway lighting, so that's the low beam system fully on. Oh man, this color looks crazy in here. So let me just do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And if you watched my last Alpine White X4 M Competition video, you'll know this may be the actual last X4 M Competition because there are no plans to continue this model thus far. I hope that changes and I hope I'm wrong. But before this car goes, I just wanted to make a video to share it with everyone out there. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the details. So we got the amazing Marina Bay Blue Metallic. This color to me kind of reminds me of San Marino blue that was very popular on F82, but I think this one is a little bit lighter than San Marino, but still has tons of depth. We've got a line coming off of the A pillar, and we've got another one over here, and then we've got the two lines, so 4 lines vertical. And we have the rondelle up front and center. We have the one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the X4M badging on the driver's side and the double slats. And down at the bottom, we do see there's a radar puck here, and we've got all kinds of air inlets for aerodynamics, brake cooling, intercoolers, oil coolers, all of that stuff. And again, we're at the front. Let's just hit unlock so we can get the headlights on there. So that looks sweet. And if we take a closer look at these headlights, you'll see that these are the BMW Lasers. So we've got the blue accents in there. The form factor is the same between the lasers and the LEDs, but you get the blue accents and the lasers are a bit brighter. And I love all the little details in the headlights. It's really cool. And even these lines at the bottom, they're just there so that it'll reflect and give it that cool effect. Now when we come over to the side here, you'll see that we have the 21-inch star spoke 892M wheels, and this is black gray burnished with the blue M compound brake over there. So spoke design, really nice, and love the big brakes over there. That looks sweet. And on the fender, we've got the X4M air breather, and there's a spot down here for the welcome light carpet to come out. So saw it much better from this vantage point. Looks good. And we still have black M wing mirrors. We have sunroof up top, shark fin style antenna, and we've got this style door handle here. So side profile, sports activity coupe to the max. And because we have these door handles, we do have touch comfort access on all 4. And there's your rear 892M wheel. And we've got a little bit of a deck lid spoiler up here with an actual spoiler on the tailgate. And if we come to the back here, you'll see that we have the beautiful L-shaped tail lights. We've got the rondelle itself as an opening. You can press this to open. And we've got X4 M Competition badging on the passenger side. And of course, what we all love, we've got the quad exhaust pipes down here with the rear diffuser. And of course, to widen the look, there's a vertical reflector on each side as well. And backup camera is just down there. So that looks sweet. I've got the key with me. So let's go ahead, kick our foot underneath. So once that opens up, there's a cargo cover here, another cargo cover here, both of which can be removed. We have your front plate bracket down here. Hope that never sees the front of the car. 12-volt plug and a grocery bag hanger. You can remove both of these to reveal there's a storage compartment on each side with a plastic bin. And this side has a little netted area. So, just like that. And once we open this up, so we lift this up. So we have some space here. There's an optional spare tire option. But if you don't get the spare tire, these little cutouts can fit these cargo covers in there if you'd like to store them. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock. But we can certainly kick our foot to have this close the hands-free way. Sweet. Now when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane, that's what that says there. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, shut the door. Now if I open up the back door here, so we've got the nice contrast stitching going across, carbon fiber trim with some ambient lighting there, more contrast stitching all over the place, window switch, door pockets. This is a little recline thing. M color seat belts. Got the release lever on the shoulder here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have an armrest in the center with some cup holders. We also have the headrest in the center that can flip up or down. Pass-through to the center as well. And up top, we do have the swiveling coat hanger, just like that. And we also have some lights on each side. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents. We've got some rear climate controls with heated seats for the two outer positions. There's a little storage space here, and we've got two USB Type-C charging ports. And we've also got some illumination and some ventilation underneath the front seats. So now that we've had a chance to look back here, let's shut this door. We can open up the front passenger door next. So from here, I open up the door. So inside you'll see that we have the Harman Kardon sound system, more carbon fiber trim. We've got a window switch down here, big deep door pockets. There's a spot there for your Yeti. And we've got X4 M Competition door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And let's have a look at these awesome seats. So headrest illuminates, headrest height is also power. And we've also got a manual under the thigh extension here. And if we look this way, we've got some nice stitching going across the dash. And down here, large glove box. We have iDrive 7 on the huge display. Look at all that carbon fiber in here. Physical climate controls. Open that up. So down there, X4 M Competition, wireless charger. Spot here for your keys in case they don't fit in your pants. You got USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, M gear selector with the tricolor stitching, red push start button, more stitching on the center console. Lift that up, there's a USB Type-C, and these are some paths for some cabling to come out so it doesn't get pinched. So let's go ahead and shut this door, and we'll go over to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that door up. So inside, more contrast stitching, Harman Kardon sound system, carbon fiber aluminum illuminating light strip here for the ambient light, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate controls, pockets, X4 M Competition door sill, and again, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And black headliner is always great. And there's your M steering wheel, tricolor stitching, M at 6 o'clock. We've got the red M1 config, M2 config buttons here. And we have the head-up display. And we've got some nice stitching along the cowl. And I'm just going to take a seat in here real quick. So if we click on Park Assist, so we do have automatic back park, parallel park. And if we go into, you can see already there's cruise control stuff here. So this will have assisted driving, so you can have the car mitigate the speed, distance to the car in front of you. It can steer for you and change lanes for you as well. So now that we've had a look under here, let's go ahead and pop the hood. So down here it's two pulls, one 2. So when we arrive to the front of the vehicle, it alleviates us from having to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up, and there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo. We have 503 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the M on here. We've got the strut going through the engine cover, and then we've got 2 struts on each side. We have a positive battery terminal here. We have a negative battery terminal down here. That's that post right there. And we've got your washer fluid. So, absolute beast. And this is the last SUV that you can get in BMW that has the S58. So, very special. And we've got 2 latches under our hood. So, to bring the hood down, you just want to bring the hood about halfway, and you literally just got to send her down. Perfect. Alright, so before we go ahead and conclude the video, I want to do one more lap all the way around. I'm going to do some more long distance angles just because I want to get a chance to show what this car looks like. The color is amazing. I really like the wheels on here as well. And it just looks sweet. Especially with that welcome light carpet coming on, it just looks awesome. So again, this might be one of the last X4M competitions we see here new. And guess what? It's available for immediate delivery. So if you're interested, contact me for some details. How do you like the X4M competition in Marina Bay Blue? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X4 M competition in Marina Bay Blue Metallic with the Black Merino Leather inside. S58 power, baby. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.